Let us do question 12 of exercise 8.1. In this question, it is given to us a trapezium ABCD and AB is parallel to DC and AD side is equal to BC side. We have to prove first part angle A is equal to angle B. Now to prove this, we have to draw some construction we have to do first. In construction, we will draw a line parallel to DA. Draw CE line which cut the AB produced line at E. This CE is parallel to AD. Construction, draw CE parallel to AD. Now let us start the proof. Now ABCD is a trapezium given to us and we have drawn CE parallel AD. By this, the ADCE is now a parallelogram because this side is parallel to this and this side we have drawn parallel to this side. Therefore, ADCE is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram the adjacent angle, their plus is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle E is 180 degree because adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary, so we have got this equation number 1. Now we have to prove A and B are equal. Now let us make a relation between B and E. AD is equal to BC given and also AD is equal to EC because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, as we have proved that it is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Now the conclusion from these two, AD is equal to BC and AD is equal to EC. This implies BC is equal to EC. Now BC is equal to EC means take the triangle BEC. In triangle BEC, BC is equal to EC means the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Let us call it angle number 1. In triangle BEC, it implies from BC is equal to EC that angle 1 is equal to angle E because opposite angles of equal sides are also equal. Now, call it equation number 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle E. A plus E is 180. Now, take relation between B and 1. Also, angle B plus angle 1 is 180 degree because by linear pair. Right? By linear pair, their plus is 180. Now, we have 3 equations with us. Now utilize these 3 equations and we will come to arrival of the part number 1. Angle B and angle 1 180 degree. Angle 1 is equal to angle E and A plus E is 180 degree. Right. Firstly, let us take equation 1 and 3. From equation 1 and 3, their right hand sides are 180. So their left hand sides are also equal. Angle A plus angle E is equal to angle B plus angle 1. Now, as their right hand side were 180, we have compared this. Now we can take the use of equation number 2 also. From 2, angle 1 is equal to angle E. We can cut this from equation 2. Now we got the answer. Angle A is equal to angle B. Hence it is a proof of the first part. Now let us prove the second. Now let us prove the second part. We have to prove that angle C is equal to angle D. We have proved that angle A is equal to angle B and angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree because the adjacent angles of parallelogram. So adjacent angles of parallelogram, so their sum is 180 degree. Also angle, see the diagram, also angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because AB and DC are parallel and interior angles on the same side of transversal line are supplementary. From these two equations, what it implies, angle A plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle C, because they both of their right hand sides are equal, so their lefts are also equal. But we have just proved that angle A is equal to angle B. So angle A and angle B cancel. What it implies, angle D is equal to angle C. Hence it's proved the second part. Now let us start the third part. In third part we have to prove that triangle ABC. Now take triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD. We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. ABC and BAD both are on the same base. So AB is equal to BA because they are on the common base AB. Second point is we have proved in triangle ABC angle B and in triangle BAD angle A equal, just proved. And third we can take ABC and BAD. ABC side BC and BAD side AD both are equal, given. This is given. So we get three sides. We have three criteria, two sides and one angle, side, angle, side. By this criteria, these two triangles are congruent. I am showing you the diagram also. See, in triangle, we have to draw first. We have to prove the next part. We have to draw the like this triangle ABC, right? And the second triangle is BAD. So we have to draw like this. Now in triangle ABC is AB side and in triangle BAD also AB side is there. So we have taken common side. Secondly, in this triangle angle A is coming and in this triangle full angle B is coming. When we are taking this triangle, so this angle is coming. So this is also, and third is this side is equal to this side. So we have used this criteria. Now so side, angle and side, one is given, one is common and one is just proved. SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent, hence it's proved the third part. Now come to fourth part. AC of this triangle and BD of this triangle are equal by CPCT, and in this way we can do this question.